looking for the ultimate ultra-portable laptop, Sony has got you covered. It's the Sony VPCZ1, and this thing is absolutely incredible. It is super thin, super light, and packed to the gills with features you usually don't find on larger laptops. This thing has an Intel Core i5 processor, so an i5 520 running at 2.4 gigahertz, has 4 gigs of DDR3 RAM that can be upgraded to a maximum of 8. It uses a 128 gigabyte SSD, which means you're going to get blazingly fast load times, and also it's going to be a lot more shock resistant because you're not dealing with those moving parts of a small hard drive. It has a DVD-RW drive on board, so you're not sacrificing an optical drive, and also it uses the Sony hybrid graphics system. And what that means is that you can actually switch between discrete graphics, which will give you a great graphics processing power at the expense of battery life, or you can switch to stamina mode, which will use the integrated graphics chip and extend your battery life. So it's a very, very cool feature that you're going to find on this notebook. Even in a notebook this thin and light, you still have the webcam located right here in the bezel, and then you have a 13.1-inch display. This display is running at a very high resolution, 1600 by 900. All the text, all your graphics are going to look extremely crisp. Also, LED backlit, so all your colors are going to look absolutely amazing. Now, down here, you have the full chiclet keyboard, and up here is actually where you're going to find that dynamic hybrid graphics system. So right now it's in auto mode, and the computer will automatically tell whether it needs to be using the speed or the stamina modes, but you can switch that manually as well. So you can very, very easily decide on your own which graphics chip that you want to use. Now, down below here, you're going to find just a couple buttons for getting to your media and to getting to instant technical support. And of course, you got that whole nice keyboard located right here. Below the mouse pad, you're actually going to find a fingerprint reader as well, and all of this in a very, very nice brushed metal finish. It looks really, really great. Now in the front, you've got card readers for your SD and your Magic Gate memory cards located right over here. Right over here, you're going to find a switch for your wireless, so you can turn the BGN wireless chip on and off, and right here you've got microphone and headphone ports. Over on the left-hand side, you've got your Ethernet, you've got HDMI, you've got USB, and an Express 34 slot as well, and another USB port located right there. And on the right-hand side, another USB port, so you're not short USB ports at all with this computer, even with the small size. You've got your DVD-RW drive right there, and the VGA port located right there, and that glowing thing, that is your power button. All of that in a package that looks a lot like this. Very small, very thin, very light, just 3.1 pounds. It weighs much less than most of the notebooks that you've ever seen out there before. And the battery, up to 7 hours when you're using the stamina mode with that dynamic graphics hybrid chip. This thing is amazing. It's light and a really, really incredible laptop. If you've been looking for something that's going to fit the bill in terms of still having all the features you need but not weigh you down, check this out. It's the VPCZ1 from Sony. To get more information on this Sony VAIO VPCZ1, go to tigerdirect.com and search for S170-13107.